Welcome! In today's guide, discover how to enable chat and spaces notifications in Gmail so you never miss an important message or update. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or staying in touch with friends, these notification settings can keep you connected and in the loop. Start by unlocking your phone and heading to your device's settings. This is where you manage all your apps and their notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a complete list of applications installed on your device. Find and select Gmail from the list. This takes you to the app-specific settings page. Inside the Gmail app settings, you'll notice a section labeled Notifications. Tap on this to access all the notification options that Gmail offers. If notifications are already enabled, great. If not, make sure to toggle the main switch to turn them on. Now, for more granular control, look for an option called Notification Categories. Tap this to open up a detailed list of all the different types of notifications that Gmail can send. Scroll through the list until you find Chat and Spaces. This is the category dedicated to your Google Chat conversations and Spaces group discussions. Once you've found it, simply toggle the switch next to it to the on position. This ensures you'll get real-time alerts whenever there's activity in your chats or spaces. With this setting turned on, you'll be notified instantly about new messages, mentions, and updates from any chat or space you're a part of within Gmail. As a quick tip, if you ever stop receiving these notifications, double-check that your phone isn't set to Do Not Disturb and that your Gmail app is up to date. Sometimes, device settings or outdated apps can block notifications. And that's it. You've now enabled Chat and Spaces notifications in Gmail and are ready to stay updated on every important conversation. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider exploring more ways to fine-tune your communication apps and keep your digital life running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and stay connected.